Next, on Scratch coding cards, we have change backdrops. In order to do this particular activity, we will be using two backdrops as shown in this figure. And we are going to take a sprite like this one. And this is the instruction set that we are going to give to this particular sprite. And we are going to see that it's going to change the backdrops whenever we are going to click on the green flag. Now let us explore this by working on the Scratch application. So we are going to basically take two backdrops and one sprite from the sprite library, search for every, take the first one or second one as per your convenience, because this activity is going to play when we are going to click on the green flag. From the backdrop, we need two backdrops. So we can search for Savanna and we can take this one. Likewise, take one more backdrop from the search box, look out for Metro and take this one. Now, if we just take a look at the backdrops, we have got these two backdrops for us, and basically we have to switch amongst them and we have to give instructions for the same. So let's start giving the instructions from the events category. First instruction, when we click on the green flag. After that, from the looks category, we are going to say that switch backdrop to, and from here we can choose whatever backdrop we want on the initial starting. After that, we are going to give this instruction that it is supposed to wait for some time. So we can say like for 1 second, you can surely give some other value also. And then after that, switch backdrop to Metro and say this particular message like let's explore. Now every time when you are going to click on the green flag, so it is going to change backdrops like this.